Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News, where we dive into the world of electric vehicles and explore what's driving the market forward. Today, we're taking a closer look at two EV makers that have been making headlines: Rivian Automotive and Nio. First up, let's talk about Rivian. Founded in 2013, this American EV manufacturer has made significant strides in recent years, with its fourth quarter results showing a substantial improvement in gross profit. That's right, folks, Rivian achieved $170 million in gross profit, beating analysts' estimates by a wide margin. But what does that mean for investors? Well, it's clear that Rivian is on the right track, but it's also important to note that its cost of revenue dropped 18.6%, while revenue spiked 31.9%. So, while progress has been made, there are still some challenges ahead. One area where Rivian faces significant headwinds is in sales growth. Its delivery growth has stalled, and the company lacks a revenue catalyst until its R2 model hits the roads in mid-2026. But here's the thing: achieving full-year positive gross profit for 2025 would go a long way in proving to investors that Rivian has a path to profitability. And with its management team working hard to reduce revenue costs, there's reason to be optimistic. Now, let's shift our focus to Nio. This Chinese EV manufacturer has been making waves in the industry, but recent results have left investors a bit disappointed. Despite strong deliveries of 52,760 in Q4 from its premium Nio brand and 19,929 from its Envo brand, total revenue only jumped by 15.2%. And let's not forget the elephant in the room. China's brutal price war is having a significant impact on pricing power. But here's the thing: Nio has two new brands, Envo and Firefly, that are expected to drive strong momentum throughout 2025. The company's first quarter deliveries were in line with management's guidance at 42,094, but it's clear that investors need to see more consistency from this Chinese EV maker. So, what does the future hold for these two EV makers? Both have a long way to go before they can prove themselves to investors, but if Rivian can achieve full-year positive gross profit and Nio can offset the effects of China's price war, both will set themselves up for a much brighter future. Stay tuned, folks, it's going to be an exciting ride.